Today we're going to be unboxing this robot vacuum.
It's a Dyke.
Excuse me?
That
was the other model. We actually ordered this Oregon Scientific.
Oh, my bad. I thought you ordered the other one that was called Dyke.
Well, I think the name was a little bit
offensive,
so I ordered something that didn't have that name. I don't think it's a applicable product name. I mean, I have nothing against those people, but I think that it's not a smart selling point for that product. So essentially, this is the Oregon Scientific vacuum sweeping robot, and basically, it's a great thing. It does a good amount of sweeping, and
is it made domestic?
This is actually made, yeah. This is made domestically, I think, in the United States. It's got some parts in here. It's got some of these little spinning brushes for the edges. It's got a little cleaning bristle, and this is the charger. This is the charging station. It's the power supply, and then here's the
device itself.
This is the Oregon Scientific vacuum.
Talk about that good Cascade knowledge, bro.
And then there's also a remote here, so you can set schedules for it.
Fucking Cascade.
And then here's
here.
a instruction manual.
Good job, kid.
All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna set up this robot vacuum and see how it does. It's gonna be pretty fun. So we're gonna take this. Out right here. Plug it in. It's gonna be wonderful.
That's what the manual told you to do? Nice.
Well, no, I just know how this works. It's simple. What we do is we just plug this right in here, and it says charging dock position. Place the charging dock against the wall and make sure the place is open and uncluttered, leaving at least 2 meters in front of the charging dock and 1 meter on both sides. Plug in the charging dock and put the rest wire in the trunking at the bottom of the charging dock. Put the rest of the wire into the trunking. Okay, so we have to put all the wire into here. The excess wire, I don't see how. Oh, there's some up there too. Okay, turn on the charging dock and keep the charging dock plugged in. The ring indicator light shows the power status. Orange, low power, blink. Green, charging. Solid green, full charge. Okay. So there's probably no batteries in here, so we're gonna have to get some AAA's for this. Take this plastic off, and alright, so we have the charger, we have the vacuum, and we have these rotary brushes. So the rotary brushes have these little tabs that fit right on here, and you just clip it on, and there's 4 of them, but there are only actually 2 of them that you use on the product at one time. So they give you 2 extra ones. And this brush, which is for cleaning, I assume, the inside of it, and then this. So let's plug it in. Alright, so there's a little switch at the bottom that actually turns it on in addition to the top power button. So you gotta flip that switch, and if you don't flip that switch, the vacuum itself won't turn on. So that's a good thing to note. So this thing's gonna start vacuuming them up the room.
It's really good, actually.
And then when it's done, it will dock itself back over here. So we let that battery fully charge before we turned her on. So she's full battery right now, and it likes to clean around the edges first. It said the programming has it so that it cleans all the edges, and then it cleans the room. Looks like it's kind of going in a circle here. Hopefully it will find its way around somewhere else. There we go. Well, actually, it's trying to get a feel for the room.